Okay, Senator, thanks for taking the time. So could you just tell me your initial reaction to reading, you read the bill last night, just your initial reaction to reading some of the details in the bill. What does it do well and where does it fall short in your opinion?
Well, I think the most important thing is I commend the governor that we're finally doing something in ethics. We've tried in past years and there's always been competing interests. I'm very concerned that first the composition, that there's 4 Democrats and 4 Republicans in the legislature, but 3 Republicans in the Senate, 1 Democrat, and that's forever. That's on an ongoing basis, unless some legislation is passed in the future. And that doesn't take into consideration the changing dynamics in a House. That concerns me. I don't like the secrecy either of when the commission operates. I don't like that votes won't be known. If we appoint people who are very careful and considered in their judgment, there should be no reason that we don't know how they vote. And thirdly, I would say that I don't like the fact that 3 of one party can, in the legislature, can end an investigation that might be 11-3 in favor of continuing the investigation. The 3 can veto the investigation going forward.
So do you think these provisions were made to get the majority leader on board with this plan?
It would appear that way. It would appear that way. It sounds like probably the Senate Republicans drew a line in the sand that we will not participate. And if you may recall, the last time we passed an ethics bill 2 years ago, which was vetoed by the governor, we sought to override, and the Senate Republicans would not go along with it. Mm-hmm. So, but having said that, we're finally getting an ethics bill the governor will sign. And I don't want to leave this building with having us policing ourselves. And at least it's an attempt to get beyond that.
Sure. And we were talking before, you're an attorney, you have some clients, none under the over the $10,000 threshold.
Right.
But just in terms of having attorneys who do have clients who do business before the state, what sort of value is there in this disclosure?
I think it's absolute. I think it's a conflict. If I have a client who does business with the state, I shouldn't have him as a client. And I've objected from the beginning that if I do wills or real estate closings for individuals that of a minor nature that don't have any business with the state, I shouldn't have to disclose. And this bill does place that provision in that would protect those situations.
Okay, thanks for taking